Well, hello today. I hope everybody's having a good day. If you're doing this job, hopefully it's not too bad of a hard one, but we have a 2008 Chevy Suburban with the door pins here are starting to go out. Having a hard time opening and closing. This one's the driver's side, and it's not as bad as the passenger, so we're going to be doing the passenger one today. I've already started on it. Just to let you know, what I have done is I've taken this spring out here. I put some safety glasses on, make sure you're safe. I took a screwdriver and just kind of pried it out. It popped out pretty easy. Move this arm out of the way, and then this pin and bushing, I'll put the part number in the description. It's kind of hard for me to find it. I ended up finding the part number and ordered it off eBay. O'Reilly's did stock it, I found out later, for the replacement one. I'll show you here in a minute. This bushing's the one that's gone out. We're going to replace the whole pin and bushing on this other side, so hopefully we can get that done today. What I have done is I took my Dremel. If I had a Sawzall, it probably would have been easier, but on this side here, I took my Dremel and took this pin and took the top off. The instructions that came with it said take the bottom off. I started doing that. I didn't know quite how the fat end was going to push up through those holes, so I took this top part off. This is the replacement kit that comes with it here that I got. It'll now have a greaser on there, and the cap. It also has the one for the top, and then it has these instructions which come with the kit. Go through and tell you exactly what to do, where to do it. So what our next step is here is we're going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to put this replacement pin in. So bear with me, see if I can get a angle here that you can kind of see. It's not too dark, but we take bushing, the pin, and the nut for that bottom side. These pieces here. So we're going to put this up through the bottom, put the bushing on. If we can get that in there. Again, I tried to find a good video online. Could not find anything about the 2007 through 2014 that'll fit any of these. Couldn't find anything on it. Couldn't find the part number. They have a Dorman part number that I did find that was not the right one. Helps if you grab the right bolt out of here. There's two sizes. We'll want a smaller one on this one here. But the Dorman part number, I ordered it from two different places, one locally in town and on the internet. Both of them said that they were discontinued. So if you're trying to find this, GM does have a replacement one for it, and I'll put the part number in the description because it was kind of a hunt trying to find it. So right now I put that pin in, Greaser on the bottom, comes up, has the bushing in there, the nut on top. Tighten it up and suck that in all tight, and then we'll go ahead and put this arm back in there with our spring. We should be good to go. So hopefully everything goes well. There's a dust cap for it, and then we have this bushing, and this one I believe replaces that one right there on this top piece. So hopefully wind up on top looked pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to replace them. I'll take a look at them a little closer. I'll do a video on it if I end up replacing them. But this pin was completely shot. It took a minute for me to grind it off, but you can see we got pieces that were heated up and disfigured there. This pin, if you look at it where that sits, was totally, I don't know if that'll be a good angle or not, but right there's where it ate into that pin and it was gone. So not too bad of a fix. If you have a Sawzall or something to cut it out, it'd probably be easier than a Dremel. Just cut the top off. It's kind of hard to get into. If you need to, you can always take those bolts off. I believe there's 5 bolts, 2 on the door, 2 on the inside of the frame, and 1 back there. Pull that hinge out. Support the door first with a good floor jack. Make sure you're not binding up anything. Probably be a lot easier to work on the bench. But if you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe. I'm going to try to do some more videos on things I can't find fixing or upkeep. If there are videos you want me to put on, or if you have a question, go ahead and send me a message or put a comment, and I will see what I can do to find out exactly what we need to do. I did buy this to put the spring back in. It was about $8 at O'Reilly's, and we'll be able to put that spring in there, tighten it down, put it back into place so we're not trying to screw around with it. But thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.